Day 1, chapter number 67, verse 2. The one who created death and life, that he may test you, which of you is best indeed, and he is the Almighty, the of forgiving. Explanation. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has informed us about the reason for giving us life and death. He informs us that He created life and death to test us. So this life is a test. We have to remember that we are not in the dunya for enjoying our lives, but we are here for a test. If we pass the test, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward us with Jannah. And if we fail, Nauz billah, then Allah will punish us by admitting us into Jahannam. Our life, whether in Jannah or Jahannam, will be forever and forever. Our life in this world is limited to only 60 to 100 years, and our life in the year after will be infinite. We should strive our utmost to pass the test so that we can enjoy our life in Jannah forever and ever.